Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a membership site. So selling online courses is a very profitable business. I've been selling online courses since 2010. At the beginning, believe me, it was a struggle. You had to use some WordPress plugins, try to connect them to some kind of payment system. I mean, it was a total pain in the neck. Now with tools like Stripe, PayPal, it's a lot easier. I mean, PayPal was already around, but I mean, it's PayPal. So you just have to go to product sales and then courses. So here it's empty because we haven't created any course yet. So I'm going to click on add a new course. So, you know, it can be like some, I don't know, real estate course. So you have a few options that you can leave as is by default. So here it's empty because that's actually the curriculum of my course. So I'm gonna click on add module. So that's gonna be first module. And then I'm gonna add some lectures. So let's say, you know, it's gonna be like chapter 1, the foundation. So if I want to drip content, which is give access to this content over time, I can set it there. So it's going to be a delay in days, so maybe once per week. So I'm going to set like 7 days. I can actually set it. I can actually give drip access to this content, to this course with one offer, with one payment page, and I can actually give total access to the same course with another offer, with another payment page. So it's very convenient because, for example, if you have a big course that costs like $997, you might want to give full access to people who pay $997, and maybe for people who pay through the installment plan, like 6 times $197, you want to give access over time. Okay, so you can set a delay here, and you can still give full access to the course when you set the resource on the payment page. So let's leave it like this for now. So we have a very basic template here that you can change. You know, usually what I like to do is to put the chapter at the top. Yeah. And what I'm gonna do, so that's a video, so you can host your files on Systeme.io. There is no limitation. It's very convenient. You can use YouTube videos, Vimeo to host your videos as well. So usually what I do is I'm gonna add some content box below the video. So it's here, okay. So, you know, to provide some additional resources. I'm going to type in resources here, and usually what I do is I add a bullet list. So you might want to change the color of the icon. Yeah, okay, maybe use a different, okay, maybe you can change the size, and here you can add, you know, some links to some books or online resources. So I'm going to click on save changes, and then it's very easy because you just have to duplicate the lecture, you know, and I can just change it, you know, that's going to be my chapter 2. So I'm going to click here. Yeah, so chapter 2. And that's it. So I can add some more modules and chapters, but you see, like, again, in a matter of just a few clicks, a few minutes, I was able to create a membership course. Of course, I can add more modules, you know, like module 2. Yep. So that's module 2, and module 1, I can expand it by clicking here, okay? And I can also duplicate the lecture and add it, move it under the module 2. connect. So that's it. You see how easy it is. It just really a matter of clicks and minutes to create a whole membership course. And again, remember to sell access to it. You just have to go to the payment page and add a resource with access to this membership site, either with full access or drip content access. So that's it, guys. That was how to create a membership site in Systeme.io. Again, remember, if you have any question, you can go to the Facebook group, ask your question, or ask your question directly to our team here in the chat box.